everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Lloyds Bank Online step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Lloyds Bank login, and then you can hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying login to online banking under Lloyds Bank, and then accept all cookies and then hit login. You must enter your user ID along with your password and then hit continue to log into your account. If you have not registered for your online banking, simply tap on register for online banking, in which case you'll have to download the mobile banking app and register from there, or you can also tap on register here to register online. Here you'll have to enter your first name along with your last name, your email, confirm your date of birth, and enter your postcode, select the type of account that you have, enter your soft code and your account number, accept the terms and conditions, hit continue, and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions like entering your password and your username, after which you'll have created your account and then you'll be able to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.